as I commanded once before. These people were conceived in a putrid public toilet. Why the authorities let these vulgar and garbage programs continue doing them? Shame on the authorities. Ġili rajt shows bikli nara baxi ma din il-ħamallaġni sit komplita sar li tfaltana aktar mu maġġaqi masrin. Min jista iwaqafhom lil dawn il-ħneżer. Sentejn ħabsi miskom tisti AFACULO. Possible mawħat Malta. Who can stop these low-class evil u daħdira ta' nies? Kemm intom ħamali l-veru b'sata xpin kif jaċċettaw dal il-brokrami dawn ma jiċċensurawhom xlaqon ħamali bal dawn nies jitkellmu ekku dejjem Malta kollha kemm intom żibel. As I commanded once before, these people were conceived in a putrid public toilet. Miekx bis possibli ħadd ma iwa għafhom istwu.